Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Donner DEP-1 keyboard piano, specifically the white set. This instrument is really designed with the beginner in mind, offering a fantastic starting point for anyone wanting to learn the piano. Right off the bat, the DEP-1 features 88 full-size keys. What's great about these is they are velocity sensitive. This means the volume changes depending on how hard you press, which is crucial for developing proper playing technique and getting that expressive feel. The keys also have a nice rebound speed, giving you that lively, responsive feel onto your fingertips as you play. It really helps you connect with the music. Beyond just the keys, this keyboard is packed with features to keep things interesting. It comes with a generous 128 different tones, letting you experiment with various instrument sounds. You also get 128 rhythms to play along with and 20 demo songs to listen to or learn from. For those just starting out, the built-in auto chord feature is a huge help, making it easier to play along with rhythms. Plus, you can adjust the reverb effects to add depth and atmosphere to your sound. It really opens up a wide range of musical styles to explore right from the start. One of the most impressive aspects of the DEP-1 is its portability and power. It has a high-capacity lithium battery that provides up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge. That's incredible freedom. You're not tied to a power outlet, allowing your creativity to flow wherever you are. It also supports a versatile dual-use power setup, so you can charge it anywhere, making it super portable and ready to go. Just a quick tip from the manufacturer. Make sure your charger is DC 5E2A. Fast chargers or high-power chargers aren't supported. Connectivity is also a strong point here. The wireless audio feature means the keyboard can actually function as a player, which is pretty neat. Even better, the wireless MIDI capability allows connected software to send and receive MIDI signals. This means you can connect to smart apps, unlocking functions like chord accompaniment and other interactive learning tools. It really brings modern technology into your practice sessions. Finally, let's talk about the physical design. The DEP-1 is surprisingly light, weighing in at just 7 kilograms. It has sleek, smooth lines and looks great in white. The body feels light but solid, making it perfect for practicing at home, taking it to a friend's house, or even performing outdoors. And storing it is easy thanks to the included carrying case. It also comes with a stand, a sustain pedal, and keyboard stickers, giving you everything a beginner needs to get started right away. Overall, the Donner DEP-1 looks like a fantastic option for anyone starting the piano journey. It combines essential features like velocity-sensitive keys with modern conveniences like long battery life and wireless connectivity, all in a portable and complete package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.